important to nourish your skin. And the first step I'm using a Clinique Moisturizing Surge 72-hour moisturizer. No matter you do your makeup or not, but it is very important to nourish your skin, and this has been my all-time favorite product. Just take a little bit and spread it evenly on your face. And after this, I'm using this Indulge oil, and it is very important for the extra sheen on your face, and I generally, in fact mostly apply it on my brides. So after this, I'm using a primer, and the primer is by MAC, Prep and Prime. It is very important to use a primer so that your makeup stays for a longer time. And to cover your foundation, I'm using a beauty blender, and I'm evenly blending my foundation. The key to a nice makeup, I think, is it's about blending. How blended your makeup is. It should not look that you have done too much of it. These days, I think it's and these are the areas which we need to contour, and I have done contouring on my jawline, nose. So after contouring, I'm using this highlighting concealer from NARS, and I'm going to highlight my face. So these are the areas I have applied this NARS concealer, and that's what you call a highlighting concealer. It's basically to highlight your face, and let's blend it well. I'm dabbing it, leaving the areas where I have done my contouring. Make sure you're blending your makeup well. A kind of oil that is coming on your face. So this is a kind of fixing powder, or what you say, loose powder, to mattify the effect or to settle your makeup. I'm dabbing the Estee Lauder loose powder. Generally, most of the makeup artists, they always start with eye makeup, but honestly, my hands are set on making a base first and doing the eyes later on. So I am doing my eyebrows now. I don't like to do it too much. So generally, a lot of girls tell me that they face the problem of smudging of their kajal. So what I do personally, after using that gel liner, I'm using this liquid liner from MAC on the top of that gel liner.